Dancer?
Story.
Since baby is born in March this year, we did not plan for any trip or flight due to COVID situation. Thankfully, situation is good now and interstate border is open in Australia. So we decided to visit our family. We need to fly 1 hour to get to see them, and we also thought it will be great to have a light pram to travel around easily. So we decided to get the baby Jogger city tour too. So we are going to unboxing baby Jogger city tour too. We are going to show you what is inside the box and show you how to assemble it to use. In the box, there are main stroller, front and rear wheels, travel bag, and instruction manual. To start with assembling, we need to open up the stroller first. When we forward up the stroller, we need to open up the safety bar on the side, which is super easy. Once the stroller is opened up, we need to click in the front and rear wheels on the body. It can be all assembled in 2 minutes and ready to use. It also comes with a travel bag. We were going to share with you about review after we try it.
Dancer?
Story.